Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Genevieve Designs. Today we are doing the giveaway drawing for the new background design for the Remnants Lovely Layers. And all you had to do was, a month ago, I introduced the Remnants Lovely Layers. And in that video, I asked you to leave me a comment down below and vote for your next background choice. So you had 8 choices and you guys picked one. So the way this works is I've got the random YouTube picker on my cell phone here, and I've already put in the video URL. So then it automatically picks up all the comments and it filters the duplicate comments, like a duplicate person. If you comment it twice, you're only in there once. So my mom tallied up all of the votes, and the winning background design was wood this time. So now the Remnants Lovely Layers will be available in the wood background design. It also comes with a set of plain templates and a guide, which are both free with purchase, like a free bonus from me. So in this video, in the comment section below, for the next drawing, you need to also leave your vote for the next background design. So these are the ones that are available: Harley script, collage, polka dot, doily, text, music notes, and O paper. So all you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section below and tell me which one you'd like to see next. And then on May 24th, 2018 is when I will make another video to see which background design will be released then. And so you'll be entered to win if you leave a comment with a vote. I've already got it in here. I've already got all the comments there. All I have to do is press start, and the person's name that pops up will receive the Remnants Lovely Layers in the wood background design. So I'm going to let my camera focus. All right, I'm going to press start, and we'll see who the lucky winner is. It says Denise Metzger. I'm not going to try to pronounce it anymore. You are the winner. It looks like you chose polka dot, but that's okay. Wood is a pretty cool alternative. So Denise, all you have to do is contact me via private message on YouTube, and I will put a link in the description box below to, if you don't know how to send a private message, I will put a link to that below, and it's for a computer only. I'm not really even sure how you do it on your phone. Somebody tell me how you do it on your phone so I can share that as well. So congratulations to Denise, and contact me via YouTube private message. I've learned a kind of a lesson lately that I'm not giving you guys a time frame to contact me. So Denise, you need to contact me within the week. Let me write your name down. Okay, so you need to contact me by May 1st, 2018 in order to receive your Remnants Lovely Layers wood printable mini album templates. I will have a link at the end of the video. It'll be on the screen, and I will also have a link in the description box to my Etsy shop. So if you are interested in purchasing these new templates, there will be a link below. And I also have a coupon code. Let me find it. This coupon code, it will also be in the description box below, so you can hit that link to the coupon, or that says coupon code, a link, or I don't know what it's going to say, coupon code link, there we go. If you hit that link and go to my shop and purchase something, it will automatically take the percentage off. If it doesn't for whatever reason, contact me through your purchase. So this is valid April 24th, 25th, 26th, 2018. And it is for 20% off of everything in my shop with a $10 minimum purchase. And the code is LOVELY20. So you can either enter that at checkout, or you can go through the link below in the description box. So don't forget to leave a comment below this video to be entered into win for the next background design draw, which is May 24th, 2018, and it will be here on YouTube. And Denise, don't forget to contact me via private message. So like I said, here is a link to my shop. Here is a link if you have not subscribed to my channel already. Go ahead and hit this button. And there might be some other videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.